It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm participating in my monthly Trash to Treasure collaboration with my girl Philicia over at BOK Media Life. And what we're going to do is just basically take things that people would normally view as trash and we are going to turn them into treasures. So let's get started with DIY number one. As you can see, I have a piece of cardboard here and I am just trimming it, trying to make it as even as possible. And now I have cut down some popsicle sticks and I am laying them down to give this piece a shiplap look. And so as I glued those down, I was like, okay, what am I going to do next? And then I thought about a backing for a gift basket that I'm sending to my granddaughter and grandson for Valentine's Day. And so I said, hey, I'll just let this be the backing. And as you can see, it is one of those window clings that you can find at the Dollar Tree. And I am outlining it with some of that sticky ribbon and just to give it a border. And then I have one of those small little bows that came in a pack of like 12 from the Dollar Tree over the Christmas holidays. I have some sisal rope and just outlining the box area where you can see where it was cardboard with some of that sisal rope. I will burn the sisal rope because it has that little furry look that you know I don't like. And that was it for that DIY. Very quick and simple. And now we're moving into DIY number two. This was a silver planter that I purchased from a thrift store about 3 years ago. And it has just been sitting upstairs on my shelf. And I said, well, you know what? I am going to use this in some decor or fix it up for my daughter to use in her home. And so I'm painting it black using some of that Waverly brand chalk paint in the color ink. This is a paint that's very thick, and so it allowed me to have great coverage for this piece, and I really like the outcome of it. So guys, please remember that this video is a part of the Trash to Treasure monthly collaboration that I have with Philicia over at BOK Media Life, and I will be giving you more information about Philicia in a few moments. So as you can see, I am just making sure that I am covering up any of the silver that was showing through and making sure that it is dried completely, because what you don't want is for this to become sticky or, you know, to get paint everywhere. And I didn't want them to get on the floors that I will be using. And now that that's done, I have this little styrofoam that I purchased from a thrift store. It was just a big block of styrofoam. And, you know, I'm going to use it as floor foam. And now I'm taking some of this greenery that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And I am just adding it to this planter. And I think this turned out super cute. And this will go really well in my daughter's kitchen or living room. So guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. And now you see where I just used some of that crayon crystal clear spray. And now we're getting to my girl Philicia, the lamp queen, we call her. She has BOK Media Life here on YouTube, as well as a new channel, BOK Media Food Freaks. So make sure you go and subscribe to both of her channels if you have yet to do so. And here are some of her beautiful home decor, high-end DIYs. I can promise you, when I say lamp queen, she is the lamp queen. And look how beautiful her decor is. You would think this was straight out of a Kirkland's magazine. And then we're getting into her great foods. So look at this piece. So from scratch, you got to check her channel out for that. And Philicia also dibbled and dabbled in some fashion design. Go and check out my girl, support her. She's a genuine supporter of mine and my crafting bestie. And now for this last DIY, I am taking 3 cans that was formerly baked beans. I have painted them each in white, red, and pink. And I can promise you this was painted off camera. And now I am just adding some jute twine around the neck of the can, because I will be adding a jute twine bow with some florals that I had purchased for another project. And I just needed some florals, so I just grabbed these to use for styling purposes. I think this turned out super cute, and I cannot wait for you guys to let me know what you think of it. But again, guys, keep in mind that this is a collaboration with my girl Philicia over at BOK Media Life. So please make sure you go and check out her channels, plural. And if you have yet to subscribe to her channel, please make sure you subscribe, as well as if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. So as you can see, I am just stuffing these pink flowers inside of this jar or this can. And when you see it styled, it is so cute to me. You got to let me know again what you think of this piece. I did want to add a Valentine's Day decor piece in this video, just to show you that you can still create beautiful home decor from your trash. So guys, what did you do today? I went and got my hair done by my cousin, E-Hair Diva. And then I said, well, I got a note from my girl Philicia reminding me that the collaboration was today, but in my head I had it for next Saturday, but nevertheless I'm getting it up. And guys, here's the reveal. Look at that. That is so cute. My granddaughter is going to love this. I know she is. And this is the second DIY. No, this is the third DIY. It's out of order, but that's okay. Look how cute this turned out, guys. You gotta let me know what you think of this piece. And again, you know, who would have thought that you could take some cans and make it look high-end? And then you have the second DIY. So these are not in order. And I think this turned out really cute. And I did style it with the previous midday craft, Be Kind, and I think it's just gorgeous. And here are all 3 styled together. Guys, please let me know which of these were your favorites, and make sure you leave me your thoughts about each project in the comment section below. And as a final reminder, this video is a part of a collaboration with Philicia over at BOK Media Life. Until the next DIY.